Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the first place, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Abdullah Faqih from 12 Science 3. At this time, I want to show you how to cook papeda with the side dish yellow flavor fish. This food is from east of Indonesia, which is Papua and Sulawesi, and in front of me is the material for this dish. Now I will introduce you with the material. The first is tapioca flour, and then we use water here. Then we use red snapper for yellow flavor fish. Then we had red pepper, bay leaf, lime leaf, lemongrass, and then we use ginger and saffron, and then we use 1 teaspoon of sugar, a few candle nut, and we use 3 teaspoons of salt and a few pepper, and here we use coriander, and also we have dragon fruit for the modification food, and we have tulang flour for the blue modification, and we also use 5 pieces of onion and 4 pieces of garlic, and here we have basil leaf, also a lime. Now we move to the first step. The first step is we put on some salt in the fish and some hot water to it, and wait for a few minutes. It's used to clear up the fishy smell from it. While waiting for the fishy smell from the fish is gone, we chop the few material here into a little pieces. After the fishy smell from the fish is gone, then we slice the fish so the seasoning can get into the fish and it will smell good. After that, then we fry the fish into a hot oil. While we wait for the fish, I will continue to prepare the seasoning. After we chop all of it, then we put it in a blender with a pepper so it can blend and mix together. Then to get it smooth, we add some water. Don't get too many, right? Or it will break the taste. Also, we need to pressing the lemongrass for the seasoning later. When the fish is already a bit brown, then we took it off from the fry pan. After we fry the fish, then we salt the flavor. When the seasoning is already smells good, then we add water to make the soup of it. After we pour some water, then we put the salt and the sugar to the soup. After that, we wait the water to boil. When the water is already boiled, then we put the fish to get for the seasoning. After we put the fish and wait for some time, then
Fish brought
put basil leaf on it. After a few times, then the fish is ready, and then we move to the next section. For the papeda, I use telang flour and the already blend dragon fruit skin. And for the coloring, how to make the color is you put the material in the boiling pan as much as it needs, and then you put some water on it, don't get too much, and then we boil it and wait for a few times until it changes the water color to blue or fire. For preparation, let's blend the tapioca flour with the cool water, so when we cook it on the boiling pan, then we don't break the mixture of it. When the water is already blue or red when we use the extraction, then here the remaining things that not eaten, we just throw it out. Before we pour the tapioca flour, we get to add some salt to it, so it will not taste tasteless. A little bit of it. After that, then we put the tapioca flour that has been blended with the water. Don't forget to stir again the flour before we pour it to the colors. After we pour the tapioca, then don't stop to
stir
the papeda.
stir
The papeda until it's hard. If you think it's too thick, then you can add some water to it. And for the red ones, you can repeat the section from the boiling extraction and the tapioca pouring to the extraction. Then I think it's ready.
Why must papeda? Because papeda has many creations that we can make. For me, I gave it a good looking by coloring it. Yellow flavored fish is also a healthy food. It made with no preservatives and artificial flavors.